Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making air fryer stuffed pickles. What all goes into the air fryer stuffed pickles? Now this recipe didn't give me any quantities, but you need cream cheese, ranch seasoning, shredded cheddar cheese, real bacon bits, and I made my own, and pickles. So let's begin. Take a bowl, dump in a brick of cream cheese, and again, I don't know how much I'm supposed to be making. A packet of ranch seasoning, cheddar cheese. I'm using the Mexican style cheddar jack. I may add more of this. I'll start with that much for now. I don't know how much it was. And about that much bacon bits. I might add more to that too. And then mix that up. And set this aside. Take your pickles, and I only have 4 of them, which will make 8 halves. Cut them in half lengthwise. And then I'm not sure how this will work, but then just scoop out the center of the pickle, kind of hollow it out. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and kind of dry it up a little bit. Like that. After you get the pickles all scooped out, take your cream cheese filling and then just put them in the little pickle boats. And I'm going to have way more filling than I do pickles, but that's okay. You can use that for other things, just cream cheese and bacon and cheese. Be good on crackers or something. My hands are clean. And you want to pack them down. So put your pickles in the basket. I'm hoping I can fit all of them on there so I don't have to do 2 different batches. You don't want them overcrowding. Okay, I'm going to do half and then I'll do the other half. So we have air fry. We're not preheating, we're not turning them. 400 degrees, 8 minutes, and hit start. So here are the air fryer stuffed pickles. Rounding out the meal is pizza lasagna. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I don't recognize either.
Well, you're taste testing the air fryer stuffed pickles, and the other thing is pizza lasagna.
Pizza lasagna, okay. Never had either. Fighting back. That's pretty good. Very crunchy pickle. Is that bacon?
Yep, there's bacon in it. Bacon and cheese and cream cheese.
It tastes better than it sounded like it was going to taste.
I hope that means you like it.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.